Malolele, kia ora, bula, ni hao. Greetings to you all, Playland Grow family, whānau. It's Whaea Salote here, and today I'm going to read to you this book. It's colors. It's about colors, and this one here, it's a red color. Okay, so this is a red scissors. Can you see? A red scissors, a red fire engine, fire truck. Yeah, red fire truck. Nino, Nino, Nino. And a red scissors. Yeah, scissors for cutting. Yeah, we do cutting at school. And this is blue colors. Yeah, this is the blue colors at the bottom here. You can see that's a blue hat that you can wear at winter when it's cold. And this is a rocket. Yeah, this is a blue rocket. Blue rocket. This is yellow color. This is a yellow. What do you think it's this one here? A yellow submarine. This is the yellow submarine. And a yellow, what's this? A yellow boots. Yeah, yellow gum boots. And we got the green colors at the bottom. There, green. And what's this? Oh, I can hear you all saying it's a green frog. A green frog and a green car. Look, a green car with purple wheels. Yeah, beep, beep. And what is this color? This is a pink pig. Yeah, that's a pig. And what's the other one? That's a pink flower. A pink flower. What's the other one? What's the other color? It's the purple. A purple helicopter. There you go. Purple helicopter. And a purple grapes. Who love grapes? I love grapes. It's yummy. Purple grapes. Yummy, yummy for my tummy. And what's the other one? It's orange color. Look, orange carrot. Who loves carrots? I like carrots. And orange. What's this? It's an old orange goldfish. It's an orange goldfish. And what's the other color? It's brown. It's a brown fence. Look at the fence. Yeah, brown fence. And a brown teddy bear. There you go. And that's the end of our colors today. I hope you like it. Ka kite a popo. We'll see you again. Ka kite a popo salote. Whaea Salote. Bye.